Watch the full video please.
Dang, sick of me rapping. They know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam. I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it.
Hey y'all, you can't tell me Sir Cruse is not the freaking GOAT, man. Can you look how laid the waves look, bro? What? Hey, tag 360 Juice. Somebody tag me, Tariq. Yo, why all the Tariqs I know is wavy? Like, why y'all swimming though? Like, why your lather look so good though, bro? How did you learn to get your lather to look that immaculate? I want you to teach me, Tariq. Bro, y'all see them noodles in there? The lather look immaculate. The noodles are in there. The only thing I could tell you, Tariq, is, and he knows how to lay his hair down with his palm. Just use a mirror next time, though. Yes, sir. We got
this
another.
This is grandma dirty wash. You supposed to not really care how your waves look. Just get the dirt out. Wash it.
Yeah, man. So
don't show me rinsing that off or nothing because I try to keep the video short.
Yeah, that's good. That's good.
I washed before this clip. Like, I rinsed it out. Then
Okay.
I put it back in.
Alright, that's cool.
And
Yo,
that's me brushing it down with this. The tangler brush.
Yeah, detangling shower brush. The lather looks good though, bro.
That's my wash brush. Brush it down a little bit now. Brush.
Yeah, but the lather's gone now.
I brush way more than I show. You know you can't show the whole thing.
Yeah, I know, bro. But yo, use a mirror next time. You feel me?
Lather.
Yeah, look, it looks decent. You feel me?
Brush it some more. Put the oil in. So
Let me talk, bro.
Too dry afterwards. It's conditioner oil.
Okay. Now my turn. So look, your lather.
That lather.
Look, bro, come on, man. Let me talk.
Shine. Tag 360 Juice.
I usually don't do this, watch part twos, but I guess I stumbled upon his part two, so I'm just gonna react to it. So this is a continuation of the last TikTok. You already saw, but yeah, he's ragging up with the shampoo on, with the shampoo in his head, but I ain't see him rinse out the first wash. That's kind of like, I'm not gonna say dirty, but I wish you would have rinsed out the first wash, cause that's where all the dirt is at. You gotta rinse that out your hair. But if you don't give me an unrag in this video, I'm going to unfollow you. I'm going to block you. I'm going to do everything in the book because I don't like this. Because this is the part two. I'm supposed to see your unrag, all right? And if I don't see your unrag, I'm going to be really mad. And I'm just going to block you. Video's almost over. He's still ragging up. It's been about a minute already. And he's dancing and dancing. Okay? All right, I'm going to unfollow you. I'm blocking you because I don't see the unrag, bro. I don't see the unrag, bro. Since you guys been coming at me for not showing the results. That's what you get. You better show the results. Can't just do a washing style without the results. Let me see them results, man. Take the mask off first. Alright? Let me see. Got the red do-rag on. Alright? At least you're not double compressed, you feel me? If you was double compressed, I would expect you to be wavy. What you wave right now? Couple of forks at the top. But you spinning though. Let me get closer. Need work on the ground a little bit. Spinning, you ropey. Need more definition because I could barely see that junk. Feel me? More shine, more definition. But you got it though. Good stuff. You don't gotta drop that. Pick it back up. Yes, sir. We got another wave check in the building. We got Moreland_23. Let's see what you're working with, bro. Sheesh. You passed the ripple stage. Now all you need to do, bro, is wolf, and you are going to be elite. Alright, y'all. Last time he did a wave check, I told him he needed to wolf. He just passed the ripple stage. Alright. Now we got a wave check part 2. I'm pretty sure he doesn't have more hair than he did last time. It's a little more hair. Shine looking good. Just keep wolfing. Whoa. That drink just ended. What the heck just happened? I wasn't even done yet. Wait a minute. That's Sir Cruse, right? OG Cruse. Didn't he just have curls like a couple of days ago, though? Oh, that's because waves or curls laid down. Oh, I got you. So, even though he got curls, he still could get waves, right? Just by doing a washing style. Alright, guys. I know this is not waves, okay? I believe these are braids. Because last time I called somebody's hair braids, they said it was twists. They started coming crazy at me in the comments. But y'all, bear with me. This is not why I'm reacting to this video. Y'all gonna see in a second why I'm reacting to this video. You feel me? Do you see that freaking lather, bro? Yo, that's the only part I wanted to, show you guys a video for. Just that lather. It was just immaculate. Trying to give my son waves. Hope it works. I think it's gonna work because there's enough hair on the top, but the back, like the side and the back, I don't think it's gonna wave up. The top, probably a little bit of waves. Okay, all right, depending on if the hair is strained or not, which is probably not, cause I don't know. But wait, I thought we was doing the washing style. What are we doing? Okay, we are doing the washing style. Okay. With the hair, apply shampoo, apply some Suave coconut shampoo in that joint. You feel me? Lavish, lather looking decent. You feel me? Clean the hair out. If there's any products in there, I doubt there was any products because the lather looking good on the first wash. You feel me? But I don't know if they're gonna do a second wash. The lather looking immaculate on the first wash. That junk. Okay. Comb it out. The waves are definitely in there. I see some noodles, bro. I see some noodles. Wait, we're not gonna get an unrag because the video is almost over. And yeah, we're not getting an unrag. For those of y'all that have been wondering how my boy Nike Waves wash his hair, that's how you do it. Alright? Lather looking immaculate. Put the do-rag on, you feel me? Double compress and rinse it out. That's how you do it. Hey, we using the Christmas song, man. We using the Christmas song. So we gonna give it look like, what is this? What is that? That's a dog? What the heck is that? Oh, that's a teddy bear. Yo, y'all them teddy bears, man. TikTok, come on, man. What? Alright, y'all, we got a washing style in the building by Aaron Romans 116. Big shout out to Aaron Romans. Yo, that lather looking nice. But I wish I could see your whole head, but I see great lather. I see the noodles in there. He going with the toothbrush. Toothbrush to isolate the crown. 20 minutes, 20-minute brush work. Sheesh, you serious, huh? Alright, y'all, the lather looking clean. Okay, now he laying the hair down. What's next? You gonna rag up now? Or you gonna add the conditioner? I wanna see what's next. What you about to do next, Aaron? Oh, he ragging up. He skipped the conditioner part. He like, I don't want no conditioner in my hair, bro. I don't want to add the moisture back in. But yeah, y'all, he about to rinse out the shampoo. Let me see the unrag. Oh, he double ragged. Okay. I better see great shine, my boy. I want to see great shine. Okay, your hair's too low. I definitely want you to wolf more when you do your washing styles. But yeah, you look nice, though. It look nice, man. Are you serious right now? The first black man that know how to wash his head. Man, all wavers do this. What you talking about? Yo, y'all keep using that song, man. That Christmas song. Let me, y'all hear it? You hear that, yo? That's that song, man. But yo, slow interrupting. It's interrupting me. All right. So let me just focus on the video and not the song. You feel me? The lather not there on the first wash. It's cool. All right, I know you got some products in there. All right, the products in the dirt. You crying? Thought you was crying. All right, rinse the first wash. Dang, what the heck just happened? Rinse out the first wash. Second wash should be a lot more lathery. You feel me? The lather should look a lot better. You feel me? See some noodles in there. So I know you're spinning. All right. I can already tell you're going to get some waves. You probably already had waves. You did already have waves. I know you did because ain't no way you know how to. Okay, yeah, you did have waves. You got a couple of forks in the back. Are we going to get unragged because video like 5. You got 5 more seconds. Okay, we got an unrag. Looking dope. Great silkiness. Working the crown low. All right, y'all. So we got first straight hair with waves on TikTok. I don't think you the first one, my boy. I don't think you the first one, but let me. Is that a shirt? Oh, snap. Yo, them things in there, bruh. What you do? Did you do a washing style? I want to see the process, bro. Let me see.